Now it is, yeah. Now what are we doing?
Blowing up a Pepsi can with a screwdriver.
And the screwdriver is right there. And the Pepsi can, shaken up, is right there. And you have to hit it with the very tip of it, you know that, right?
We're gonna get it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Fail.
Is it spraying? No, no, it's not. You can't even get it to freaking spray. You can't even get it to spray. Jeez. Ew, I need to get this off my foot. It's like sticking all over it. Last experiment went great, and this one not so much. Just all your might.
Oh.
With all your might. What?
It's coming out. That's tough.
With all your might. Just bam. Did you see that now? See? You should have, if you didn't watch the whole video. Yeah. Whoever didn't watch the whole video is pretty stupid, and look at him. Oh yeah.